Honor View 10. In recent times, Honor has really upped its game when it comes to design. The Honor 8, 8 Pro and 9 all looked and felt like flagship smartphones, just without the high price tag. The Honor View 10 is different and lacks the glitzy glass rear of its stablemates, but its matte aluminum chassis still looks great, and it's available in either blue or black. A reasonably priced alternative to the OnePlus 5. Honor 7X Review, the new mid-range smartphone king with an 18:9 display. What's more, the Honor View 10 doesn't sacrifice anything in other areas of its design. It's ultra-slim at 6.97mm and its enormous 6 and 18:9 aspect ratio display means it's keeping up with the Joneses when it comes to the visual side of things. Another key difference between the View 10 and most other recent Honor handsets is that the fingerprint sensor has made its way from the rear onto the front, and can be found nestled underneath the display. Personally, I prefer a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, but a front-mounted reader has its benefits. Swipe gestures make a return as seen previously on both the Huawei P10 and P10 Plus, meaning you can do away with those annoying on-screen home, back and recent tab buttons. In other good news, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom edge of the phone, a feature that's inexplicably being removed by some manufacturers. There's also a USB Type-C port, that has fast charging capabilities, NFC and dual SIM 4G LTE capabilities, too. The phone's secondary SIM slot can be sacrificed for a microSD card, for expanding the View 10's 128GB storage with an additional 256GB. With such a slim design, it's impressive to see a high-capacity battery in the View 10 and at 3,750 mAh. Critically, it's bigger than the 3,